Blue moon, you saw me standing alone.
A blue moon is rare. It happens once every 3 years. Although you may have heard of it, do you know what it is?
I have no idea what a blue moon is.
I don't know what a blue moon is.
Kelly Beatty of Sky and Telescope magazine says he has answers.
A blue moon is whenever we get 2 full moons in the same month.
A blue moon really means an extra full moon. It takes 29 and a half days to go from one full moon to another. But most months have either 30 or 31 days. So those extra days add up and eventually we get a second full moon in the same month.
A full moon is that point in the moon's orbit when it's on the backside of Earth as seen from the sun. So as we look behind us into the night, we see the moon fully illuminated by sunlight.
And what about the color?
No, it's not really blue. It is possible with certain atmospheric conditions to have a moon kind of tinged blue. But it's just a popular phrase, once in a blue moon.
Most pictures of blue moons are shot using a blue filter, which is not what you would normally see.
Blue moon, you knew just what I was there for.
And maybe now you'll understand what a blue moon is there for. This is Cynthia Demas reporting.